Well, y'all, today we're going to be making scalloped potatoes in the Dutch oven. Now, what I done took the liberty of cutting all this stuff up beforehand. And what I got is a couple pounds of potatoes, a head and a half of garlic, one whole onion, and a pound of bacon. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get this pound of bacon in there and get it to frying up. Oh yeah. Little bit of coarse ground peppers. Just a frog hair old bay. Get that parsley. Get that celery flavor in there. Hey, ain't you got a road to go across or something? Alright, y'all, that bacon's been going for about 15 minutes. Now, we're going to take this garlic and we're going to take this whole onion. We're just going to let that onion and that garlic play with that bacon a little bit. Oh yeah, boy. Smells like some fine dining. Man, that smells good. Heck, it's done at this point. Just get you a couple scoops of this and put it on a piece of bread and make you a sandwich. We're going to put the lid back on it for a few minutes. Y'all, let's take a gander. Oh yeah. Alright, y'all, so we raised our Dutch oven back up out of so much fire, and we're fixing to mix up the sauce for it. And while we're doing that, we're going to take half a stick of butter, maybe a frog hair over, throw it in there, and them onions and bacon. We're going to let that melt down while we're over here making the sauce up. So we got quite a few potatoes, and we don't want them getting dry on us. Alright, y'all, here we go with the sauce. We're going to take 1 can of Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. Put that in a bowl. Take us 1 can of whole milk. Couldn't get heavy whipping cream, so we're going to be using whole milk. Stir that up. Take us 1 packet of Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning mix. Hey, it's good on corn, smoked corn too on the grill. I have to show y'all that one too. We'll mix that up. That ain't gonna be enough for the amount of potatoes we got. We're gonna add some parsley. Some Old Bay seasoning. I'm gonna show y'all what that's for here in a little bit. And some crushed black pepper. Coarse ground black pepper. We're gonna one more can of whole milk. Alright, y'all, we're gonna start throwing our potatoes in there. Give that a little stir, get that butter and bacon and all that good stuff mixed up on them. Now we're gonna take the sauce, put it right over the top of them. Gonna give them a little jostle. A little Old Bay right on top. That's the coarse ground pepper. Now y'all, we're gonna put the lid on it. Wait about 45 minutes. Alright, y'all, it's been right at 45 minutes. Oh yeah. Look at them old scalloped potatoes. Alright, y'all, one bag of popcorn shrimp. That's what that Old Bay was for. Give it a little stir. We're going to put just a little bit of this cheese in here to incorporate it in all of our potatoes. Now we're going to pour the whole rest of this bag right on top. 1 full pound of cheese. Put a lid on. Now we'll wait another 15-20 minutes. Oh yeah. they're ready to come off. We're going to pull these off and let them cool down a little bit. And we're going to make us up a plate. It's hot. Here we go, y'all. I knew that's what it was going to taste like. Y'all gotta try these. Well, that's it for this one. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.